Damn, your boy is looking crispy. 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 Today I'm going to be showing you how to grow on YouTube and how to be successful on this platform and tips and tricks that they don't seem to tell you. Everyone's going to sit here and say, you got to be consistent. But it's the same old bullshit every single time. But I'm going to give you the real advice that has helped me to grow. Bro, if you check my stats, they're consistently going up every time I drop. And I'm a rapper as well. You know, I've been played on the radio, you know, in a few different types of countries. I've been doing shows. And I had a few songs that have done really well on Spotify, Apple Music, and on YouTube. So I feel like I'm the best guy to be giving these kind of advice. Now, the first tip, and arguably the most important tip, is treating YouTube like a business instead of a hobby. A lot of rappers, right, when they make an album, they have what they call a rollout plan. They think about how they can market the album to the masses to get it heard and sell as best as they can. That's a business. They're spending money. They got the label spending money. They got the managers. If the album sells really well, then, you know, that's good. But if you're treating YouTube as a hobby, that kind of means that you're unsure. You're on the fence like, hey man, look, I don't know if this shit is gonna take off. I don't know if I'm gonna be successful, you know? And you're kind of still in that stage where you don't know what you wanna do in your life. You're kind of doing this as a hobby. And I guess you won't put as much time and effort as you would to kind of take you to the next stage. You gotta have a niche. You gotta have something that people can come back and remember you by. Kind of like Travis Scott. Straight up, you see? He got the auto-tune. No, you can say I'm mad and I don't want, bro, that's that thing that people remember Travis Scott by. Bro, I got the flame sweater. Like, I wear this flame sweater in every video. When I'm reacting to music, I can say, yo, this song is fire. It's fire, you know? And it's becoming a staple that every time they watch my videos, they know it's JoshBiv. He's wearing the flame sweater. He's got the hat. Hope your dreams come true. But if you're all over the place, you know, they don't have that thing that they can attach you by. I'm Dante. He's got F&G. Thing Bruce, drop him off. He's got DEO. I think for KSI, he's got like the bandana. He's got like the forehead, you know, that you kind of think, and hey, that's KSI. He's the guy that wears the bandana, right? He's the guy that has that big ass kind of forehead, right? And once he found that niche, keep going. Just keep going. But don't try to box yourself in to where you're kind of stuck in that kind of position, because then you're only big as that thing that you're doing. Like for me, you know, I do music reactions, but I also do vlogs too. Kind of like this one. Because I don't want to box myself in, because what happens if music reactions aren't as popular anymore, then my channel basically is gonna die. McDonald's knows that people love their beef burgers, so they're gonna give them what they want. That's a business. They make money, the fans are happy. It's a win-win. Tip number 2 is to be yourself. I've seen some creators on YouTube, they kind of got like an ego. Bro, you can see right through that shit, and that shit does not work. You don't gotta try to fake shit and be that cool guy like, yo, bro, what the fuck going on? Bro, I'm that nigga. Make sure you subscribe down below. We dropping bangers. Bro, y'all don't gotta be that fake guy. Just be open with yourself. Now, you gotta be confident. You gotta be confident and entertaining. You gotta give them a reason why they wanna watch you over another person. They gotta be funny. It is what it is. Bro, it's competition at the end of the day. Would you rather watch a person that sounds like this? Hey guys, so today we're gonna record I try not to laugh, and let's get started. So the first video we're gonna be talking about is a try not to laugh video. That's kind of boring, right? Kind of boring, but you don't want to be too hype. You don't want to be too hype. You don't want to be the guy that's like, oh, today we're gonna be dropping a banger. Today we're gonna be dropping a new song. Bro, that shit looks fake. Be yourself. Yo, what's up guys? Yo, I'm Josh. You know, I'm making a video. Just be cool. Just be free. Don't over exaggerate, but don't be too boring. Bro, sometimes I do videos and I just be open. I say, yo, I'm depressed. You know, I'm going through some shit now. I'm not depressed. Don't get it twisted. But I was back in the past. I obviously understand, you know, you guys don't gotta be too personal. You know, you don't gotta sit and say, oh, you know, my cat passed away last week. But sometimes, you know, you gotta keep some things to yourself. But I think if you show emotion, it kind of gives the creator sort of an attachment to you. and they kind of give them a reason why they want to subscribe to you over someone else. A great example is for me, when I reacted like the KSI song, I was open about it. I said, look, I've been going through some issues. You know, I wasn't sure if this thing on YouTube is going to take off or if my channel is going to grow. You know, I'm unsure where I want to go in life. And people seem to comment down below saying, hey man, I love that you were honest and you were, you know, blunt and you were yourself. And I like that you kept it real throughout the whole reaction. I'm gonna subscribe. And that last bit, I like how you kept it real. I'm gonna subscribe. That's what you want, you know, out of a view. Tip number 3, equipment isn't everything. I'm gonna state that equipment isn't everything. Now look, I know you see, you know, I think there's a clip I'm gonna add in that shows you all my lights, but that is over the course of 5 years. It's not like I started this shit this year and said, hey, let me buy all this equipment. This is me in the beginning of my career, and over the years, you know, I improved each time. It got better and better and better, bro. I was filming on an iPod 5. Think about that, iPod 5. I jumped to an iPhone 6. I moved to a Canon camera. I got a better Canon camera. I got a PC now. I've got studio lights and I got a microphone. I was able to get views, bro. I had a video, actually 2 videos that got 70,000 views that boosted my channel to over 1,000 subscribers using an iPhone 6. Just an iPhone 6. You could have a $5,000 camera, but if you yourself aren't entertaining, you don't know how to market your content to the people, your shit is going nowhere. You'll be sitting there depressed saying, I wasted all this money. Why isn't my content growing? Why isn't my content getting the views that it needs? I'll say that the mic is definitely more important than the camera itself, because I'd rather watch someone with a good mic and have shit quality as a camera instead of the other way around. Because imagine if I had a good camera, but all you heard is shit like this. Yo, what's up guys? Yo, what's up guys? It's JoshBiv, but today I'm gonna be reacting to this new video from, I'm sorry for everyone's ears. If you're wearing like some headphones, bro, I apologize. But bro, that would sound horrible, right? So, you know, focus on the audio quality first and then, you know, try to improve the camera quality afterwards. Number 4, have good titles and thumbnails. Now, I'll say that the title is more important than having a thumbnail itself, because you can still get your point across in the title compared to in the thumbnail. So the thumbnail is still important. It is, but it's not as important as the title itself. And the reason why is, for myself, I barely add any thumbnails to my videos and I still get views. Now, sometimes I add some thumbnails, sometimes I don't. When I do reactions to music, people don't care about the thumbnail. They don't care, bro. If they see Travis Scott in the title, Travis Scott's new song is fire in the title, they're gonna click regardless. They don't care about the thumbnail. But if you're talking about, let's say you're making a video saying top 5 NBA players in the league right now, and you got a face of you just like this, with no thumbnail. Bro, they're not gonna click on that video because, bro, all they see is just you with no thumbnail. But if you put top 5 NBA players in the league right now with a nice thumbnail of, let's say, LeBron James, Dwight Howard, LaMelo Ball, and that thumbnail's fire, they will click on the video. So certain videos need to have a good thumbnail and certain types of videos don't. You gotta figure out what works for you and what doesn't. I've noticed that when I react to music, I get views regardless if I add a thumbnail. But I noticed that when I do vlogs, I gotta add a thumbnail because vlogs don't just get pushed by itself. You gotta add a thumbnail, a good title, everything, but you gotta add the whole package. It is just how it is. So you gotta find out what works and what doesn't. And last but not least is be consistent on YouTube. Be consistent. That's the main tool. Be consistent on YouTube. Because if you don't post, YouTube is gonna think that your channel was just dead. So they're not going to push your videos out as much as they should. I would say for a new channel starting out, there's a lot of saturation, a lot of competition. I would say at least 3 times a week, you gotta be posting on YouTube. 3 times. Bro, when I was starting out, I was posting 5 videos a day, 3 videos. Now, I'm not saying that you gotta post 5 videos a day. I would say 3 times a week is at least how much you should be posting. If you can't post 3 times, once a week at least is the minimum. Every 2 weeks is fine too, but if you can post once a week, that's even better. But make sure that the quality is at least as good as the last video or at least is on par. Let's say, for example, that you make a video that took you 1 month just to film the whole thing. I'm not saying that your next video has to be the same 1 month, the same type of video. But I'm just saying that you can't have a video. Let's say, for example, me, I can't come from filming with a camera like this to jumping down to filming on my iPhone for the rest of my channel, because that doesn't make any sense. I should have at least upgraded compared to having a downgrade. And I try to post as much as I can. I post at least 3 to 4 times a week. Sometimes I post twice, sometimes I post once. As long as I get 1 video out a week, I know that I'm gonna grow consistent. I found like my niche, music reactions and vlogs. That's me. I'm gonna keep on doing it, and I'm gonna see where that takes me. And the main thing I'll say is this: make sure you have fun. Make sure you have fun and enjoy the things that you do. You know, if you don't enjoy it, then what's the point? You know, don't try to do things because you hate it. You know, just make sure you enjoy what you're doing, you're having fun, and everything is gonna work out. If you be consistent and then you know, keep at it, then you might see the growth. But hey, that's it for me. Hopefully these tips has kind of helped you out. It's kind of like a different style video for myself, but I guess if you enjoy these kind of videos, let me know in the comments. And I kind of want to expand. You know, I don't want to be stuck doing the same type of ideas every now and then. So if you enjoyed this kind of video, drop a like. And if you didn't, hey, let me know what you think I should improve on and stuff like that. So thanks for watching. Subscribe if you're new, and I'll catch you people next time. Peace.